In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix not being able to hear on Discord. Okay, so this could vary from system to system, whether you're using Mac or Windows, but I'll just show you some general things that you can do in order to get your sound working again on Discord. So the first thing that you can actually try is actually make sure that you restart your computer. So it's a fresh restart, and then sometimes that can fix errors with sound. I know sometimes with me the sound doesn't work on some applications. A simple restart can fix that. And then you also want to make sure that your Discord is up to date and running the latest update. So if you go here, you can see update is ready. Okay, so then you just need to download the latest update and install the latest update on your Discord. That can help the situation as well. So Discord is just loading up at the moment after I updated it real quick. Okay, then the next thing that you can try, if that still isn't working, what you want to do is, if you're using a headset, you want to try to unplug the headset and then plug it back in. That can help sometimes. And also change the USB port that your headset is in fact plugged into. And one thing to also check is make sure that your system isn't on mute or on like low volume like this. Okay, so put your volume up, and that's just a quick fix. But then you can go into your user settings on Discord by clicking this button. Then you can go to the voice and video section, and you just want to make sure that you've got the correct input and output device. So if it's not something that you're familiar with, right over here and right over here, make sure that that is in fact correct and it's set on your headset or your speakers. So for output, make sure it's on the speakers or your headset, and then you should be able to hear. And then what you can also do is, if you scroll down here where it says audio codec, you can try play around with these settings. So that's a video codec, that's for video, and you can just try turn some of the stuff off, and it can help sometimes. So you can turn off like advanced voice activity, automatic gain control. Sometimes it can cause issues, but that is the last resort. And then I spoke about restarting your device, and those are a few things that you can do to hear again on Discord. So I hope this helped. If it did, drop a like onto this video, and I'll see you in the next one.